name's Adam Back. I'm a partner at Farrar Gesini Dunn. I'm practicing exclusively in family law and I've been with the firm since 2006. So the starting point in any financial matter is that you've got to identify what the property of the parties is. And sometimes that's really straightforward if it's a house and a car and a bank account. But if the parties have a business, it gets a bit more complicated in working out what it is and what it's worth. Who are the owners? What's the value of their interest? What date are we going to look to work out when the business should be valued? What documents do we have? Are the documents accurate? These are all variables that would have to be taken into account in working out what the business is worth. We can be talking about millions of dollars worth of value, but it's the same asset that you're retaining. So if the business goes on the balance sheet with a nil value, compared to on the balance sheet at $1 million, it's the same outcome, but it will impact significantly how much you have to pay your spouse. Talking about commercial issues, tax issues, you have to be across the treatment of all of those different things, and that's why you need a family lawyer who knows their way around these issues. One of the main complications is about what's the value of the business, and that can depend on any number of things. What date do you use? What are the tax implications? Who are the owners of the business? Minority shareholding? Can it be sold? Can it be transferred to anybody else? There's a whole host of things we've got to take into account, and it can make a massive difference to the balance sheet. You know, if something goes in at $1 million or zero, that can impact significantly someone's entitlement to the other property, and that's sometimes the biggest issue in the whole case. So you need a lawyer who's across all those issues, who gets commercial law, who understands tax, and a specialist who can assist you with those issues if you do have a business in your case. So that's where our expertise at Farrar Gesini Dunn comes in. I mean, we're across those issues, we're specialists, we only work in this field, and we're routinely dealing with those kinds of cases.